Hey everybody, welcome back to Ranger Overland Adventures. We are doing a product review. This is a sponsored video. They sent us this light, NILights, and it's an LED rock lights and an RGB, so they'll change colors. They sent me the 8 pods, but I think I probably would have needed more for the size of my vehicle because you know, they have it on these quads and these four-wheelers, and they're not as big as my Gladiator. So we have these lights set up on the wheel wells, underneath the body, in the center of the body, and hopefully we'll get enough dispersion of the lights. We'll show that. It works with a Bluetooth. Let me grab my phone. So it works with a Bluetooth. It has an app here, and if you can see it, you can change the colors and the lights. You also have you can sync it to the music on your phone, and then it will pulse to the music of your phone. You also have the voice activated as you talk. It will make it so if you have sounds around you, and then you can pick different colors. You know, they have green, blue, yellow, purple, white, you know, a whole bunch of gamuts, and then they have pulsing, flashing. We really won't be able to see it now, but I'm going to show you where I put the lights in, and then later on when it gets dark, we'll show you how it works with that. So let me take this camera off the tripod and show you where it is. So we have one underneath the step here, and then another one under the step over there. And then I don't know if you can see, there's one way up there underneath the, so the light will shine down. And then we have one towards the tail end and both wheel wells. So this is the one wheel well. We have one on each wheel well. And you know, they're solid aluminum lights. I don't expect them to be too bright, but we'll see tonight. And then we have some underneath the body of the vehicle. So we'll go check those out. All right, so we're going to talk about the app for the NILights. I found that you have to have your phone in the vehicle. You can't walk away and control it. You have to be close proximity. So let me pull you over to the app here. So you'll see my device, and what I do is I have to turn on the power to my device, and then now it shows it's linking. So it's linked to the device. So if we wanted to, you know, make the lights red, we can click right down here, green, turn here. We can also control the lights and different colors all the way to blue. Now down here where it says music, we can go from your music list and then the lights will pulse to whatever the music's playing. So, you know, we can just play that, and then it'll start pulsing to the music that you have playing. This is also where you can hit tap, and basically it's voice activated. It's activated to my voice. If I stop, it'll do that, or we can tap and hit it and it'll go faster. And then we have all the different styles from rainbow, pulsing, red pulsing, green pulsing, blue pulsing. Remember, don't use the red and the blue while you're driving on the streets. Yellow pulsing, crimson pulsing, and then it'll go mixture of two, rainbow flashing, red flashing, and green flashing, and go so forth and so forth. And you also can slow down and speed up the speed of the pulse if you want it faster or slower. You also can control the brightness. I know right now we're not going to be able to see the lights, so we're going to come back a little bit later, and when it's a little darker out, and then I'll put the camera on a tripod, and I'll have my mic on so you can hear which ones I'm doing, and we'll go from there. All right, so now we have us walking around, showing it a little bit. This is the high lights, and I'll put the description in the link in the description. I think if I had the 12 pack, it would have lit up a little bit more and I wouldn't get so many shadows. Have two in each real well. Now if you had the taser on your vehicle, you could set up the taser lights. And if you don't know how to do that, you would just go to your key fob and then just click on the unlock twice, lock, and then lock again. So this would be the unlock, lock, and then unlock. And then it'll bring your headlights and your tail lights through a light show. So now you have a full light show with the rock lights and your headlights. And we'll back up a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So I think if I had the larger pack of lights, it would have lit up a little bit more and I wouldn't have so much shadowing underneath. But for the price, it's working pretty good. We're going to put their direct link and their Amazon link in the description. If you like this review and you want more reviews like that, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.